Hi guys, what is up? This is another video, and yes, I'm going to be teaching you probably one of the quickest ways how to get money in the game. The maiden update, by the way. And yes, this game has jiggle physics. I don't know why. Well, not like actual jiggle physics, it's only on my bum bum. So yeah. As you see, I'm actually got a decent amount of money. But first of all, what you want to do, you want to get one little bag and get another little bag. Now, you want to buy a lot of sticks if you're. This is for starters, by the way. You want to buy a lot of sticks. Just fill up this bag. Okay. Just keep going at that. Alright, when your bags is filled, you want to get another two. Well, you're meant to get one. Didn't mean for that. And you're meant to get one. You have your stick. You're going to head over here. Take some email. Because you're holding a bag full of sticks in a bag. So you want to get over here. But another thing, you're going to leave your stuff over here. And you want to go get a flashlight. Okay? Just leave your stuff there. It's best off probably bringing your stick just in case you meet any enemies. Enemies. You know what? I can't say it. Enemies. Enemies. That's what I'm calling them. Enemies. 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 If someone could actually make a song with this, enemies, 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 enemies. Go ahead, buy a flashlight. But if you want to, normally, if you have a big flashlight, if you have one of them, I recommend getting one because they're actually worth it, and you can see a lot in that cave if you buy it. Because I've actually bought one of them before the game had its update, and when they had to unlock the things, yeah. I had the big flashlight, I bought it, and it was so good. I mean, like, good. Anyway, let's get in. So you want to head over to the main area. It's just a wee bit, you see, like, over there to here. So, yeah, main update. I tell you to go away, I recommend not going over there. There's a spider. It's actually quite creepy. Yeah, let's just get into it. So first of all, we have all our stuff. Place my flashlight here. You have to figure out what ones, like, which one's which. That's stick bag. You want to empty your sticks. And then both of these can be filled up with gems. Get your 2 sticks. Or whatever weapons you have. And you want to go ahead and smack them. Some of them might not give gems, but some of them might. Already got some gems. Look, gem. Want to go ahead and break them. See, you get money. Any more gems? I don't seem to see any. So now you drop your sticks. You want to go ahead and only fill up one bag because, like, you want to move your sticks around, don't you? So yeah, why not only try and use one bag? So just, well, if you can't, just use the other bag and you can just always run back over here. Okay? Grab that one. Now, you want to go and grab 2 more sticks and go over to that area. So, so the other area, grab your flashlight. You want to just go over here. Sometimes they'll have a lot, sometimes at night. Not. You want to place your flashlight Now, would wanna head back now. You wanna to grab 2 of these. So yeah, you wanna go break these. Like money. It will regenerate. So look, this big pile of smoke. Look. Basically no light now. And that's where you have to get the bag. Because you need your bags. So that one is full. We'll go grab that. Get your stick. Sorry, that gorilla scares me. Scary. Alright, you wanna go and grab this. Put it in your bag. If there's not enough room, to already tell you, you ain't gonna be rich. Wanna do that? Just try to get as much money as possible. And yeah, there you go. You'll always come back for more, so after you empty your backpacks, I recommend going back. Now I'm going to be a little bit slow, so I'm going to cut the video, because look how fast I move. Not even that fast. I'm not going to go as fast. So, you want to go open your bag. I noticed if we had a stick in there, we could have got one more. Now we got a lot there. So we're gonna go back, head for more, and yeah, that's pretty much your money grind over. But you've got a lot from that, and yeah, we'll see the final product after, because I've never actually did this. I just know it's the quickest way to get money right now. Because if you go down the other tunnel, it's really hard. So yeah, they've all respawned again, so they'll just keep respawning. So this is why it's called a money grind, because they keep respawn instantly, and you're basically rich. Yeah, you're basically rich from this money grind. Just one little money grind, and you're rich. So yeah, I recommend this for any new players that need a little bit of money. Recommend it, because this is actually pretty good. Alright, still got one big gem, and we're just gonna go finish off the money grind, and we're gonna grab the leftover gems. They may have not respawned yet, because I recently only broke these ones. Look, that's what you call a big one. Yeah, we're gonna head back to the entrance. Shove our rocks in there. Lift my headset up. Grab the rest of these. We're nearly finished our money grind. We can't find any more. Bring that one. As you see, we're still moving. Why does that always happen? This dude, I'm really cold. I'm wearing fluffy socks in this snood right now. That's how cold I am. Okay, and this is from 4 small bags and 2 plush gems. This bag. Alright, first bag. That's a lot. some big chunks in there. So that's quite a lot. And we'll just toss the bags in for tossing them in because it adds extra money. Actually, should we go and grab the extra gems? Yeah, well I know, we don't want to leave the gems. So it's nice to have a friend. I just hit my phone stand. Alright, we're going quick. Alright, the gems have respawned. Let me see. Alright, one of the last gems. I don't recommend like buying so many bags. Like I recommend buying like 2 bags and don't fill one bag up fully with 6. It's not worth it. I recommend buying like 4 sticks. I feel like that's enough. Yeah, so these are the remainings. So this is from a lot. Okay. Now, if you want to, there's another thing over there. So look, 1,000 right now. Skip 1. Oh, we have them. We'll see the final results after. See, that is worth it. That's how much money you got. Pretty much worth it. Look at my money now. Skyrocketed at 2,000 again. That's 500. That is worth it, okay? And yeah. And guys, if this video reaches 10 likes, I will make a part. Like I'll make more videos on Animal Company. But first, let's go get my upgrades. Alright. Fit in. Alright. I don't actually know how to buy stuff yet. I don't know how to do this. I think I need a... Alright guys, I'm going to buy a stick because I think I need one. Guys, I don't know how to actually get the upgrades, so in the comment section I need you guys to tell me how to get it, okay? You want weapons. Alright. Hopefully this can come in the VR world. Yes, I love it. Hopefully this will work. Don't know. Oh, come on. Come on, give me it. That's how you do it. Unlocked. Dynamite. Oh. Bro, I just bought something. Now let's go and see. Ah! Now let's get the crowbar. Unlocked. So we got the crowbar now. Now the crowbar is way more worth it, I'm going to say that. Now we're going to unlock a glow stick. Well, let's see what else we have on our board now. We have 4 left. Now, the pickaxe we still can't unlock. Have to go to the bone. Okay, let's see where this bone is. Because I need that pickaxe. It's a flare gun. Is that the bone? I can't figure it out. One stick. We can get the pickaxe. Whee! Okay. think we need that. Oh, we have to do some serious parkour. Baseball bat entry. That parkour was serious. Come on. Whee! Don't make me fall. Now that cost 400. That much. Now where do we go? I guess we should buy the baseball bat. I don't know. No, we don't have any of anything left. So I have to be careful. Okay, I may have died, but who cares? Alright. Don't have any left. Unless I use my money. No. Click on something else. Right, well, don't have any money left. Well, guys, it was fun playing Animal Company with you. Yeah. I might be making some fan art for this. Hopefully it's gonna be probably one of my best arts. It's gonna be by Milo GC. I don't know, but so don't expect my fan art. I'll probably say like this. Yeah. It's gonna be like at Milo, like at Milo VR _ GT. Or GT is for the Gorilla Tag. Probably just Milo VR, to be honest. Well, guys, it was fun playing with you, and bye. See ya. Ooga ooga, Animal Company. Ooga ooga. It was fun playing while it lasted.